Hello, this is Victoria Wynn, owner of WynnModernArt.com. And if you know me at all, you know that I won't hold back. I won't hold back the truth and the realities of life, especially as an artist. So let's talk about imposter syndrome. Now, this is something that I coach others on. I'm a mentor to people. I make videos on it. Guess what happened to me today? Imposter syndrome / confidence issues as an artist. And I'm thinking, I've got to share this with you. There's sometimes a perception that I've really got it all together. And sometimes I do, and a lot of times I don't. So here's how today went. So the event is called Festival of Trees. It's a huge deal in Utah, once a year. It's just for a little bit less than a week this event goes on. And you create this amazing tree or wreath, or there's different kinds of things, and then people come in and bid. And they bid a whole lot of money. This money goes to a charity. So I was so flattered that I was invited to do one of these magnificent trees. I have gone to the event and have oohed and awed over other people's work, never thinking that I would be any part of it. So I've been sharing in this group some of the journey of painting the Northern Lights ornaments that glow. So we will have the first glowing tree that's ever been at Festival of Trees event. And I was so excited about it. It took me months though to figure out the technique, and then finally was feeling good about it. Like, I think I've nailed this, right? So I end up needing to do 17 ornaments. 14 of them are big 6-inch, and then 3 of them are like really big, maybe 9 or 11 inches. Oh, actually, here's one right here. So quite a huge ornament. 3 of the really, really big ones. And my friend Elisa, also a VIP, she is the master at making the most beautiful Christmas trees. I am not. I am not the master. And she put so much time and effort into creating this beautiful tree. I finally got to see the tree in person today so we could go deliver it to the expo center where the event is being held, and today and tomorrow prep days. So she has a ton of it done. We're gonna add some ornaments when we get there, but I walk up and look at this tree and it was just magical. It's baby blues and iridescence and snowy joy. And I went, oh my gosh, we can't put my ornaments on there. And she's like, what are you talking about? Like, that's the feature of the whole tree. This is just like the backdrop, but your Northern Lights ornaments are like the big deal, right? And I'm like, oh, no. Like, they're gonna ruin this amazing tree that you created. And she insists that my ornaments are gonna look good, and I'm just thinking, there's no way. I mean, this tree was so elegant, so stunning. And I'm thinking, ugh, gosh, here I am struggling just to get my trees snowy, you know, as I'm painting and working so hard on it. It is, to me, the ornaments are just, oh, they didn't fit with this super elegant tree. So I noticed in the moment, I'm like, what is going on here? But also I was very serious. Like, what is going on here? I'm dealing with this sudden like confidence issue. And then I can't even believe it. So there were 2 sides to me. There was one that was like, oh my gosh, you are losing your crap right now. Like, inside I was, kept telling her, no, I cannot add my ornaments to this. And she's like, yes, we are. And it's going to be a beautiful, blah, blah, blah. She's all confident in me. So then I've got the other side of me that's like it was so real to me that my addition of my art would mess things up. So that's really the main part that I wanted to share with you, that if you are going through that and that's happened to you, you're normal, and it does take some working on and working through, but do not think that I don't ever go through that. I certainly did in the beginning of my art career, and evidently I still do. I just haven't gone through it in a long time. I've been quite confident for years now in my art, and then today, that was great to see and learn about myself. I'm like, oh, I've got some improvement to, work on with my mindset. So I guess I'll share how things ended up. When we got there, this huge 9-foot beautiful tree was set down into, our special spot that we have. And Lisa starts adding the Northern Lights ornaments. And she's like, see, look how beautiful, like it's perfect. And I look at it and I'm like, oh, it does kind of look nice. and I'm so happy now, and I will share pictures and things. We're still putting it all together. Tomorrow is the final day to finish up. And then the public gets to see it and all that great stuff. But I want to say that it all worked out, but honestly, the message here is you're okay. You're normal. Try not to be hard on yourself for going through the very normal human emotions that we go through when we are faced with confidence challenges. And do I want you to work through it? Absolutely, because it feels much better to be like, well, I like it, therefore it's great. That is a great place to be. But it doesn't always happen. And we all have our bad days. We have our rough moments and times when we question ourselves. So just know that I'm just giving you a virtual hug. I feel you. I went through it today, and it's okay. It's okay to not be perfect. It's okay to have our rough days. I love you guys. winmodernart.com for the products that I've used in the glowing Northern Lights ornaments. And then all over the tree, we've used LUXE powders, kaleidoscope flakes, sequin rain, all kinds of, 3D bubbles, all kinds of beautiful products. But know that you're loved, and it's 100% okay to have those rough days. But I do hope that you surround yourself with people like Lisa has shown up for me. The people that we surround ourselves with are everything, because sometimes we need a little lifting up, and that's okay. But do have those people around you, whether it's family or friends, that tell you that you're amazing and to stick with what you're doing. Love you guys.